Hello, my name is Bob Lay, and I want to thank you for allowing Lay & Williams to work with you this year on your group health insurance. I'd ask you to spend a couple of minutes reviewing this short introduction to Lay & Williams Insurance Services. Over the next couple of minutes, I hope to review the value of Lay & Williams and how it will bring benefits to you and your employee benefit program. A little quick introduction to meet our staff, understanding the information that's available in the market that may or may not be true, our insurance company partners that are here to serve you, our access to our website and how it can benefit you, and what we do as far as the next steps are concerned. We have a full staff of employees and agents here to service you. They are available during business hours. If your current servicing agent is not available, there will be somebody else here to answer your questions. We have no voicemail. You can't get locked into voicemail jail at Lay & Williams Insurance Services. There are a lot of common myths in the marketplace, like my group is too sick to move, I don't have enough employees, I've got pre-existing conditions, I get discounts, on my property and casualty, my building, my auto insurance policies because I buy my health insurance. Those are all myths, and we hope to help dispel those for you. We have a full venue of partners in the markets, all the primary carriers, your high-quality, top-flight carriers that are here to give you health insurance, dental insurance, disability, individual products. If you are involved with an association, we also have association affinity products. During the non-business hours or during business hours, yourself or your employees can access the Lay & Williams website for information about carriers, products, legislative updates, new employer mandates, as well as individual products in case somebody desired to cover a child or a dependent, or if they were looking for travel insurance when they were traveling overseas, or maybe even senior policies for themselves and or their parents. From this step, where we've gotten the information from you to develop quotes for your health insurance, we'll be contacting you in a few days, setting up a time to get together so we can go over the options that are available to you, finalize the rates, conduct employee meetings, and move to the best possible solution for your employee benefits. I want to thank you very much. Have a nice day.